and go. Okay, guys, for today's class, we're going to make a review workshop. This workshop has only 5 points, as the same as your mock, as the same as your final exam. And this is the resume of all the topics we already saw in my class. We have inequations with double symbols. We have analytics of lines. We have our last topic that was the lines. We have another inequation. Oh my God, it's so pretty. And we have analytics again. So this is what you're going to do. I hope to do it together, you and me, because you are going to find doubts because these topics we saw like long time ago, and maybe you don't remember at all. So this review workshop is the objective of doing this is that doing a review. Okay, so thank you very much for your attention. You're being so kind, and may the odds be ever in your favor. Sorry, that was because I love the Hunger Games.